Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 7 Urban Administration. This is a chapter of Class 6 Subject SST Civics. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Friends, Civics Chapter 7 से पहले हम लोगों ने 6 chapters की question and answers discuss किए हैं. आप इस chapter का वीडियो देखने से पहले उन chapter के वीडियोस जरूर देख लें क्योंकि Civics ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है और हमारे वीडियोस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी Civics ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूअर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं तो प्लीज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके. फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस को एंड तक देखें और बीच में स्किप करके ना जाएं. आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं और वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें. तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं. Question and answer. Question number 1. What is a city? What are its major features? Answer of this question is: city is a large town where people can find the basic amenities like street light, garbage collection and water supply. Features of a city are as under: crowded markets, water facility, transport facility, hospitals facility, electricity facility. Question number 2. Who are councillors? Who takes decision like where a park or new hospital should locate? Answer of this question is: the councillors are responsible for the running of the municipal corporations. They are elected for a term of 5 years from different parts of the city. The submissions of a city is called wards. The members are thus also called ward councillors. The decision like where a park or a new hospital should go are usually made by the ward councillors. Question number 3. What is the difference between the ward commissioners and the ward councillors? Answer of this question is: the councillors committees and the councillors decide on issues. The commissioner and the administrative staff implement these. The ward commissioner is appointed and the ward councillor are elected. Question number 4. What are the effects of accumulation of garbage in street? How can common people keep their streets clean? Answer of this question is: accumulation of garbage looks terrible, smell false, draws in insects, rodents and different creatures that spread infection, leave wounds, ultimately leaf fall. The decline in happening are some effects of accumulation of garbage. People can keep dustbin at home keep the streets clean. Question number 5. What is a tax? What types of taxes people have to pay? Answer of this question is, a tax is a sum of money that people pay to the government for the services the government provides. People should pay all taxes. This is a very important law. For example, taxes of the type income tax, VAT, water tax and house tax, etc. Question number 6. Write some basic functions of municipal corporation and municipal council. Answer of this question is, they are responsible for making roads and parks in the city. They ensure proper lighting of the streets. They make sure that the public is provided with consumer goods and markets for fruits, vegetables and good grains. Question number 7. Difference between municipal corporation and municipal council. Answer of this question is, municipal corporation. First, it is established for the administration of big city. Second, it is established in the states by the acts of state legislature and in the UT by the act of parliament. Third, they have more power with more resources. Fourth, it is directly deal with the government, with the state government. Fifth, they deal with public works, health, taxation, finance and take decisions in their field. Municipal councils. First, it is established for the administration of towns and smaller cities. Second, it is established in the states by the acts of state legislatures and in the UT by the act of the Parliament of India. Third, they have less power with less resources. It works through the district administration. Fifth, they deal with public works, taxation, health, finance, etc. Question number 8. Explain the function of ward councillor and the administrative staff. Answer of this question is, the ward councillor listen to the problems and get them solved. They have to make complicated decisions that affect the entire city. Groups of councillors who form committees gather together to decide and debate issues. While the councillors, committees and councillors decide on issues, the commissioner and the administrative staff implement these decisions. All of the wards councillors meet and they make a budget and the money is spent according to this. Question number 9. How did Surat fall in the grip of plague in 1994? What is its situation today? Answer of this question is, the city of Surat had a plague here in 1994. Surat was one of the most dirtiest cities in India. Houses, hotels and restaurants would dump their garbage into the nearest drain in street, which made it very difficult for sweepers to collect and transfer the garbage selected dumps. In addition to this, the municipal corporation didn't collect the garbage as often as it should have, and this led to the situation getting worse. Tax spread through the air and people who have the disease have to be isolated. In Surat, several people lost their lives and over 3 lakh deserted cities. The scare of the plague ensured that the municipal corporation completely cleaned up the city. Surat continues to remain one of the cleanest cities in India in present. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. Friends, Civics All Chapter Series एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जिससे वो भी हमारी सिविक्स ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए आप हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं, हम उसका वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।